Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the presentation that demonstrates how to configure the Windows Wazuh agent. So now I have downloaded the Wazuh as a OVA file and it is running in the system. Okay, so this is the Wazuh OVA file. It's running and you can see the um, basic memory. I have reduced to 4 GB from 8 GB, which is the default one. So, and the processor, I have given 3 cores, okay, for the processor. And the Wazuh is running in the OVF file, and I have put the Wazuh in the NAT and host only adapter and IAF config is giving me the IP address, okay, for the ETH0 and ETH1 because we have enabled, sorry, I have enabled 2 adapters. So now I'm going to configure the Windows agent in the Windows 2022 server, and I'm going to access the Wazuh also from the same system, Windows 2022 server. Otherwise, we need one more virtual machine. So in order to um, okay, let me see what's the issue with the browser. I'm just restarting the server. Okay, so I have restarted the system and the edge is running now. Okay, so now I'm accessing the Wazuh server. So the Wazuh is running in this IP address. Click advanced and continue. Admin is the default username and password. So now the Wazuh server has booted. So we can see the okay the agent. There is no agent so far. Okay. So we are going to deploy the agent and the agent we are accessing the Wazuh from the Windows server and also we are going to make the Windows server as one of the agent of the Wazuh. Okay, so we are going to click the deploy agent. Okay, then let me click select. If it is from the OVA file, okay, please understand, then it would show that Windows, but if you have installed the Wazuh in the Linux operating system, then actually it would give you the Windows flavors like Windows XP, Windows Server, and Windows 7. Okay, you can select any one. I mean the like if you're going to make the server as the agent, you can select. But here in this case, since we are accessing the Wazuh from OVA file, here the option is just Windows. It's not giving like what Windows operating system. Okay, and then you have to enter the IP address of the Wazuh like 192.168.1.51. Agent name is Win22 Windows Server, and the default one is this. Okay, let's Okay, so now let's copy this command. Okay, and then okay, let me copy this to my notepad also. I'll tell you why, because like if you have installed the Wazuh in the Linux operating system, then while you install the Windows agent, the agent would be installed, but sometimes it would not connect with the Windows server. So you can see the error message not connected. Mainly the issue with this command, what you derive from the what you get from the Wazuh dashboard, from the dashboard which is installed over the Linux operating system. So I just take a copy, and even I can keep it safely, and I can try this command when I access the Wazuh from the which is installed over the Linux operating system. Okay, so now just open the PowerShell. Okay, open the PowerShell as a run as administrator. Okay, then just paste this command what you have copied from the dashboard, and now it's running. There are many options to install the agent. This is one of the options. The simplest one is this. Okay, the other option is let's wait for some time for this command to finish the execution. The other option is like you have to go to the uh, Wazuh website. And you have to type like Wazuh Windows Agent. Okay, then navigate to the Wazuh website, and then you can see like Windows installer. So this is option B actually, like you download the installer and then you can run the installer, and through this installer also as a graphical user interface you can install the agent and connect with the Wazuh server manager. In that situation you don't need the PowerShell. Okay, it's the agent installation is happening now. So this is through the PowerShell mode. Okay, in the PowerShell mode, you need this command which you obtain from the dashboard of the Wazuh. And the other option just now I showed you is like in case you don't want to do this, okay, don't like use this option from the dashboard. Rather, what you can do is like just directly go to the Wazuh website and download the installer, and then click the installer, and you can install the agent through the graphical user interface mode, and then run the graphical user interface mode installer, and you can connect with the server manager. Okay, so that is the option B. That is, yeah, now the installation has got completed, and then you have to like start the Wazuh server agent. Okay, so this is a command. So we are starting the server agent. The Wazuh service is starting, and let's go to the dashboard. It's gonna so you can see now like agent summary active, one is active. Okay, let me refresh. Yeah, so now just I refreshed in case still you have the issue. Okay, I mean the agent is not found. Then go to the terminal and then you can try this command like sudo systemctl restart Wazuh manager. You can run this command as well as. So you can copy and okay. So in case you want to run, then you should have like enabled this bidirectionals okay already and restarted the Wazuh, but no need because already the you can see the Windows server has connected with the Wazuh to the agent. Okay, so now you can find the informations about the Windows servers. Okay, um, okay, vulnerability detection, MITRE attack, compliance, and a lot of informations you can explore about the Windows server. So you can refresh. So you will get the latest update about the agent. So now these are the compliance, cybersecurity, regulatory standard compliance information. So we would explore all these things in the future. Okay, and that's it. This is the way you install the agent in the Windows operating system, the Wazuh agent. Okay, with this I conclude my presentation. Thank you very much.